Yes.
Yeah, Sameno is our classical Mongolian class. And
Yeah.
then, today we will going to answer some questions from Flo.
Yeah.
So Nara will going to read the questions.
And he's going to
Yeah, I'll
answer.
try to answer the question. Yeah.
Okay.
So the first question is?
This question is from Chao Fu Fu. I don't know if I pronounced that right. And it says, I have a small question. In the previous lesson, the syllable s, when s added with the e sound, it also reading as she. So is there any difference between two she without two dot and with two dot? Many thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So what the question talking about is this one. Yeah, by the way, so for the absolute beginners, Nara have a comment.
Yes, if you're an absolute beginner, please go to episode 1 components, so it will be way easier for you to understand what we're talking about.
Yeah, exactly. So this is what we're talking about is the Mongolian alphabet,
Yeah.
Sa and Shi.
Yeah.
So we have Anabapa Hagamala, Sa, Sha, Ta, Ta, Cha, Ja, Ya, Ra. So this is the third letters from the Sa and Shi, Sa, Se, Shi. So looks quite similar.
Yeah.
This is the Shi
Yeah.
without dot. This is the Shi with dot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think the question is, what's the difference?
Yeah. What's the difference?
Because before we talking about this one, Shi, I think I'd like to provide some example. Can I
Yeah.
have that small whiteboard? Yeah. So I think yes, okay. So this is, let me write here. This is have to be the Sa,
Sa.
yeah, Sha.
Sha.
So in this here, the pronunciation is different. This one is Sa,
Sa.
this one is Sha.
Sha.
Yeah. So if I will give you two words. For example, this one. So you can see here, right?
Yep.
Yeah. This one is Sala.
Sala.
Yeah. Sal.
Sal.
The meaning is separate something.
Yeah.
Yeah. The another one is Shala.
Shala.
Yeah. Shala.
Shala.
The meaning is the floor.
Yeah.
The floor. So in this case, this dot is distinguished the two, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is Sa, this is Sha.
Yeah.
So it's two different sounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sala, Shala.
Sala. Shala.
Yeah. Sal,
Sal.
Shal.
Shal.
So it's different
Yeah.
and it makes sense.
Yeah.
So, but the question is, because the she is both of them are
The same.
same, the pronunciation is same.
Yeah.
Because Sasha is she. If we see the she on the dictionary, both of them are same. And
Yeah.
then I checked on the dictionary. So we find the word start with she. Start with she. I'll show you now.
Yeah.
It's very limited. There are only two words. It start with the she.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a minute. So in Mongolian, the answer is in Mongolian, most of the word will start with this she.
Yeah.
This she. So
Yeah.
as a beginner, you don't need to worry about the word start with this one. The word start with this she is very rare.
Yeah. It's like only two.
Yeah, only two on the dictionary.
Yeah.
So for example, one of the example is the shur.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Shur.
Sure.
Yeah, shur is a how to say a kind of very beautiful jewelry, the red stuff. They
Like a ruby?
yeah something, but they are not stone. They are kind of a growing creature under the sea. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll provide this on the link, right?
Yeah.
So the quick answer will be, as a beginner, you don't need to worry about these two.
Yeah.
And then the thing you're going to remember is most of the Mongolian, in traditional Mongolian, will start with this tree,
Yeah.
not this one.
Yeah.
This one is only have very limited word. We'll start with this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So I hope this answered the question. But
Yeah.
this is quite a quite difficult question actually
Yeah.
because as a native person we never thought about this stuff. We just
Yeah.
remember each time. And then the thing is because there's only few words start with this tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the one question.